Racing just is started. We have Sophia's Fury moving up down on the inside. Jade and Diamond, Real Thunder. And on the outside now is Here Comes the Sun. While Lover of All is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. We have Real Thunder followed by Here Comes the Sun in second. Jade and Diamond is racing in third. Sophia's Fury is down in fourth while Lover of All is still racing in fifth. We have Real Thunder by about half length. Here Comes the Sun still in second. Jade and Diamond remains in third. Sophia's Fury is down in fourth while Lover of All still in fifth. We have Here Comes the Sun now takes command by about a length and a half. Real Thunder draws back in second. Jade and Diamond. Then here comes Sophia's Fury now coming closer in fourth. So with Lover of All. And on the fourth turn we have Here Comes the Sun by a length and a half. Jade and Diamond in second. Sophia's Fury now coming closer in third. Lover of All still in fourth while Real Thunder now racing in less than Diana entering the home stretch. Here Comes the Sun. Jade and Diamond. Sophia's Fury moving up on the outside with about 100 meters of the race. We have Sophia's Fury now takes command. Jade and Diamond is down on the inside. And finally, Sophia's Fury. Jade and Diamond. Here Comes the Sun, Lover of All.
37 yung ating forecast na 2-1, 37.